Ever wondered who keeps companies safe from cyber attacks? The answer might surprise you. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of a security architect. It's not all about coding in a dark room, as some might think. Instead, it's a dynamic role that involves strategic thinking, innovative problem solving, and a deep understanding of technology. So, if you've ever thought about stepping into this vital role, or simply want to know more, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to discover the realities of being a security architect. What exactly does a security architect do? Well, think of them as the masterminds behind the scenes, safeguarding an organization's digital fortress. They're the ones developing, designing, and implementing security systems to protect against cyber threats. Their mission? To ensure that the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of information are never compromised. But their role doesn't stop at just building these security systems. Security architects also need to constantly monitor and adjust these systems in response to emerging threats. Talk about a dynamic job, right? And where do they fit structure? They're typically part of the IT department, working closely with other IT professionals such as network engineers and system administrators. They also collaborate with business leaders to understand the organization's security needs and to align the security strategy with business objectives. As you can see, a security architect has a vital role to play. Think you've got what it takes to be a security architect? To excel in this role, certain skills and experiences are indispensable. Let's break them down. First and foremost, a profound understanding of IT infrastructure is a must. You'll need to be fluent in network design, data classification, and risk assessment. This isn't just about knowing the jargon, but about being able to apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. Strong analytical skills are another key component. As a security architect, you'll be tasked with identifying vulnerabilities and creating strategies to address them. This requires a knack for problem solving and a keen eye for detail. Experience-wise, most security architects boast several years in IT security roles, often coupled with relevant qualifications or certifications. This isn't an entry-level position, it's a role that calls for seasoned professionals with proven track records. But it's not just about the technical skills, let's talk about the day-to-day. Being a security architect isn't all about fighting off hackers. Sure, there's a bit of digital combat involved, but there's also a whole lot of strategy and team collaboration. Imagine starting your day with a cup of coffee and a team huddle, discussing the latest security alerts and potential vulnerabilities. You'll be working with a diverse team of professionals, network engineers, system analysts, and cybersecurity experts, all with their own unique perspectives and skills. Together, you'll be the guardians of your organization's digital fortress, using state-of-the-art tools to detect, prevent, and mitigate threats. But with great power comes great challenges. Each day brings a new puzzle to solve, a new threat to neutralize. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse where the rules are constantly changing. You'll need to think on your feet, adapt, and innovate. Sounds challenging, right? But there's more to the job than meets the eye. So what's in it for you? Well, being a security architect has its perks. You'll enjoy a competitive salary that reflects the high-level skills and experience required for the job. On average, a security architect can earn a six-figure income annually, with the possibility of bonuses for exceptional performance. The work schedule typically follows a standard 5-day work week, but flexibility is key as you may need to address urgent security issues that arise outside normal working hours. But it's not just about the immediate rewards. The role of a security architect offers significant opportunities for progression. As you gain experience and hone your skills, you could advance to senior or lead roles, or even become a chief security officer, directing an entire organization's security operations. You might also consider branching out into related areas, such as cybersecurity consulting or teaching. The field is broad and dynamic, offering myriad paths to explore and excel. As a security architect, the sky's the limit. So, are you ready to take on the challenge of becoming a security architect? We've covered the roles, responsibilities, the skills and experience you'll need, and the daily grind. We've touched on the challenges, but also the benefits, salary, and career progression. Your journey could start right here. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into fascinating roles like this. Comment with your thoughts or questions. Check out our other videos for more career insights. Remember, the first step to becoming a security architect is learning more about the role. So why not start by hitting subscribe?